Welcome to our channel. If you need to cancel your Slack paid subscription and downgrade your workspace to the free plan, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Sign in to your Slack workspace with your administrator account credentials. Step 2. Click on your workspace name in the top left corner to open the main menu. Step 3. Select Settings and Administration, and then click on Workspace Settings. Step 4. Navigate to the Billing section from the Settings menu. Step 5. Under your current plan details, look for the Downgrade Plan or Cancel Subscription option. Step 6. Click on the Downgrade or Cancellation option to begin the process. Step 7. Slack will explain what happens when you downgrade, including limitations on message history and app integrations. Read this information carefully. Step 8. If prompted, select a reason for downgrading from the available options. Step 9. Confirm the cancellation by following all prompts. Your paid subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing period, after which your workspace will automatically switch to the free plan. Check your email for confirmation and back up any important data before downgrading. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.